Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the mesh stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I will have the tutorials I've made on those listed down below. I have made a little test swatch using two different colors so you can see how the stitch is going to be made. For my test swatch, I made multiples of 3 plus 1. So I did 15 and then added one for 16 total. I then started the mesh stitch, which is made up of the single crochet and chains. I made a single crochet into my second chain from my hook, chained 3, I skipped 2 chains and then worked a single crochet into the third one. I continued that for the first row. I then chained 1, made a single crochet into this spot over here, and then continued by making the chain 3 and the single crochet into the open spaces that I had made from the chain 3s. I'm going to show you up here in the row that I'm currently working. So I've made 1 chain on my hook so far. You can see I have a little space over here on the side that are made up of previous single crochets, so I'm going to make a single crochet into that one. And this is going to be where we're going to make the mesh stitch. You're going to chain 3. And you're going to work a single crochet into this open space made from this previous chain 3. Then you're just going to repeat that. Chain 3. Move over to this open space and make a single crochet. Chain 3. Move over to this open space, make a single crochet. Chain 3. See this open space over here and make a single crochet. Chain 3. Work into this open space, make a single crochet. Chain 3. Work a single crochet into this open space right here. Chain 3. Work a single crochet into the last open space. And then you're going to work a single crochet into this last stitch right here, which is also made up of previous single crochets. That way it just rounds out the row and makes it look even. You would then continue the same pattern. You would chain 1, make a single crochet, and do these same mesh stitches until you get to this single crochet over here, and you would make a single crochet for your desired length of your project. And that is going to be how to make the mesh stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback for future tutorials and future patterns that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.